If you're creating, formatting, or managing data, then Access is an essential app in Microsoft 365. It might not be as well known as Excel, Word, or Outlook, but for those in the database management business, it's instantly recognizable and widely used. Access is more advanced than Excel. It's powerful, but still user friendly. You don't need experience working with databases. A simple tutorial on how to query data and create forms is all you really need to get started. After that, you can create databases for any purpose from a comprehensive set of charts and templates, organizing massive amounts of information quickly and easily, then publishing them, exporting them to PDF, and integrating seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 apps. If you need to manage lots of data in an easy way, get in touch with us today to discuss what options are available to you.